So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Chef Juni's TV. Today we got another episode of In the Kitchen where I bring you simple and easy recipes for you to try out on the comfort of your own home. On today's episode of In the Kitchen, we're going to be doing a Cajun shrimp deviled egg. So let's just jump right into this video, alright? So for my list of ingredients, I got 6 extra large eggs. We're going to use maybe about a cup of mayo, maybe about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We got 12 medium-sized shrimp. I probably would usually go with large, but that's all they had today. I got 2 strips of bacon diced up. I got about a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. You can use any type of Cajun seasoning you want. You can make your own seasoning, whatever. And I got some chives for garnish, all right? The first thing we're gonna do, we wanna boil these eggs, all right? For those of you that don't know how to boil eggs, this is real simple, real easy. We're not gonna make it too complicated. What we're gonna do is we're gonna boil the water, drop the eggs in, set a timer for 14 minutes exact. And after 14 minutes, we're going to take the eggs out of the hot water and put it into an ice bath to shock them and to make them stop cooking right away, all right? That's how you get that nice yellow yolk without that green on the outside, all right? But let's go ahead and boil these eggs, all right? All right. Now that we got this water up to a boil, we're going to drop our eggs in one by one. We're going to use the spoon. That way we don't drop the eggs and crack them, all right? So we're just going to put them in one by one. Let them roll off like that. You just want enough water to cover your eggs. You don't want too much water in the pot because you don't want your eggs to be jumping around and moving while the water is boiling. So we're just going to put like that one. That one already cracked. That one cracked too. All these eggs done cracked already. Sorry. All right, we got our timer set. We're gonna let these eggs do what they're gonna do, and I'll see y'all after these eggs are finished. All right. All right, y'all. Our timer is done. So we're going to take this off, and look like a couple of our eggs cracked, but that's okay. We're going to put this immediately into our ice bath. Like that egg right there, look kind of funky, but it's all right. It's just going to help us peel the egg a little bit faster. And like I said, again, the ice bath is just basically ice and water. This is going to stop this cooking process immediately on these eggs. They're no longer going to cook. That's how you're going to have that perfect egg yolk that's yellow and not green around it, okay? We're going to put this off to the side for now. And while those eggs are cooling down, we're going to go ahead and make our shrimp, our bacon and shrimp, all right? So once again, we're going to put that on there. All right, so we're basically going to do our bacon first, all right? We're going to put our bacon in the pan. We're going to render off this bacon. And we're going to use the fat from the bacon to cook the shrimp. And we're going to use the bacon into the deviled eggs themselves. So like I said, we're just going to render off this bacon. You just want to get this bacon nice and crispy. You don't want to overcook them though. Alright, now this bacon is nice and crispy. We're gonna go ahead and take off this bacon. We're gonna set them to the side for now. Now, we're just gonna add our shrimp straight to this bacon fat. And we'll add our seasoning, our Cajun seasoning, to the shrimp. You just want to get a nice good sear on these shrimp. Since these shrimp are so small, they're not going to take that long to cook, maybe a couple minutes on each side. Like I said, these shrimp are small, so just a couple minutes on each side. These are pretty much done. We'll go ahead and turn this off. We're also going to take our shrimp out and set them to the side for now. Alright, I'm going to clear off my workstation. I'll be right back, okay? Alright, now that I got my workstation nice and cleared off, we're going to go ahead and start peeling these eggs. I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way I learned how to peel these eggs. Well, these eggs are already kind of cracked, so it's going to be a little bit more easier. I learned this method from my chef on the cruise line, Chef Bree. She showed me this. So basically what you want to do is you want to take a spoon and go along the curve of the spoon with the curve of the egg. Right? So just like that. See how simple that is? Look how simple that is. Now these are my problem eggs right here, because these are the ones that cracked. Nevertheless, so we have right. So you get bottom, just like that. Press the bottom. That's it. Just a curved egg with a curved spoon. Nice and simple. See how easy that was? And one last egg. Oops. Oh, so that's our 6 eggs. Go ahead and put this to the side for now. Alright, what you want to do is, now you want to basically just cut your eggs in half. And look how beautiful that egg is. Perfectly boiled egg. From start to finish, like I said. Now we're just going to take our eggs and take out the yolk. All right, now that we got all those out of the yolk. All right, now let's put these to the side. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to get you a fork. And then we're going to start mashing up our eggs with the fork. I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Then you want to add your mayo. You're gonna use about maybe a quarter cup to start. It's about maybe a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. That's perfect. So what we want to do is we want to get a Ziploc bag, or if you have a piping bag, you can get you a piping bag. Get you a tip like this, or if you don't have a tip, you could just use the piping bag. You can just use the bag. Just cut a slit off at the end. And then we're just going to go ahead and add our egg mixture, our egg salad mixture. Then we're just gonna pipe it straight through. Oh man, I forgot to add the bacon. We're gonna add the bacon. I forgot to add the bacon, so we're gonna put some of the bacon in the bottom, like that. We're gonna use the rest for garnish. All right, so we're just gonna pipe. And we're gonna get a plate. We're just going to plate up these eggs nice and pretty, nice and fancy. Right, now we're just going to add some bacon as garnish. Now we're just going to add our shrimp to the top, like this, like that, like that, like that. And now we're just going to add some chives as finishing touch garnish. And there you have it, people. Chef Junie's Cajun shrimp deviled eggs with bacon. Alright, you already know what to do. If you made it to the end of this video, hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn your notification bell on so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what type of recipe videos you guys want me to do, alright? Anyway, till next time, peace.
Whoa, whoa. Hey, hey. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Ooh, hey, hey. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gallo, yeah. your shape so nice and soft.